Eating a sucker? Do you like the sucker? Do you like the sucker?
Dada.
Turn around.
Dada.
Daddy's busy.
Oh.
I see you.
Turn around.
Look at mommy.
Whoa.
What are you doing?
Where's your dada?
What are you doing?
Are
Your sucker?
Are you eating a sucker?
The dada.
Sucker?
Oh. Dang.
Is it yummy? This is her first sucker ever. And she's loving it.
Mmm.
Thank you, Auntie Christina, for the sucker.
Dada.
Thank you.
I got a sugar rush.
Just in time for bed.
Mommy's brilliant.
I know.
Where's it?
You gonna share it with Mommy? No? Oh yeah, I didn't think that was gonna happen.
Oh, that looked good.
Okay, alright. The battery's about to die. Bye-bye, love you. This was not